Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you this how to create this one or the double sink. Okay, very simple. First you must go for this bathroom cabinet. Okay, custom bathroom cabinet. Then come to this one called free cabinet. Drag one cabinet out. Okay, so you may change the size you want. So maybe this one I put 400. Here I put 300. Then here I put 2400. Okay, something like that. Let's check 600. Okay, this one is 600. Okay, after that we will use this function to divide first. Okay, first click on this one, go to the enter free cabinet. Okay, select the space, select this one, divide it. Okay, so I will divide the first one to space or 2 space. Okay, 2 space. Then we will select again, divide like 7 space. Okay, but I turn it to left and right. Okay, I need 7. This one. Okay, so after that we will need a door like this, or 1 2 3 door here. Then I may use banner. Delete the banner, I don't need. Okay, delete the banner, I don't need. So I have a hole here in the middle. Okay, after that I will use space again. This time I will create a door. Okay, add a door. I choose 1 door. Okay, this one also choose 1 door. Okay, then I exit, return. Okay, after that I select the door. Okay, here door list we can divide, so I'll divide 3 door like this. This one also I will divide like 3 door also. Okay, so you can open like a drawer or anything. Okay, then I will copy the color, so I will use this color or wood, this material or the second one. After that, right click, format painter, copy the material only. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so we have a table, cabinet. Now we're gonna put sink. Or sink, I will use this one. I drag from here. Here got a lot of option. Public, furniture, bathroom, sink. Okay, you have a lot of option here. So maybe I choose this one, the normal one. Okay, drag out first, adjust the size, adjust the direction. Usually size are correct, guys, or usually size are correct. So you move it, hold control, move it. In case you want perfect, hold control, move it. Then control and shift, copy one, move it. Okay, ta-da! So your sink cabinet in bathroom complete. Thanks for watching. Bye.